Today we study third topic, kinetic theory of gas and radiation. In this topic, related points are studied in the 11th class. First, matter. Matter are three types: solid, liquid, and gas. In the solid, intermolecular force of the particles are strong. In the liquid, intermolecular force of the particles are less than solid and greater than gas. And gas intermolecular force are weak. The next point, absolute zero temperature. Absolute zero temperature is a minimum temperature. Any gas in the absolute zero temperatures, the particles are not in the motion state. Means no motion of particle. The next point, elastic collision. Suppose that any gas in the container, well, so the number of gas particles in that gas particles, the two particles A and B are collide with each other. The kinetic energy of all the gas particles are same. Particles. Then real elastic collision. In the real elastic collision, well, so the two particles A and B, its kinetic energy are not same. But kinetic energy is also transferred from A particle to B particles and B particle to A particles. That time the kinetic energy is converted into heat energy. Then another point is also study Dalton's law. Suppose a container containing any gas in this container, we also applied pressure is called as a net pressure, and each particle applied a pressure is also called as a individual pressure. Okay, pressure. Then the total pressure of the gas in the container is equal to the net pressure, and then this phenomena is called a Dalton's law. Then next point, in the kinetic theory of gas law. Suppose any gas in the container, let P be the pressure of gas. Then V be the volume of gas. Then N is a number of mole of the gas. Then T is also a temperature or absolute temperature of the gas. Then first law, Boyle's law. Volume of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure at temperature constant. Then Charles law. The volume of gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature at pressure constant. Then Avogadro law. Volume of gas is directly proportional to number of moles. And last law, pressure law. Or Gay-Lussac's law. The pressure of the gas is directly proportional to temperature at volume of the gas constant. Then first three laws combine, we get volume is proportional to 1 upon P into T into N. Then proportionality sign get cancelled. Then V is equal to R into 1 upon P into T into N. The R is called proportionality constant. It is called a universal gas constant. And its constant value equal to 8.314 joule per mole into Kelvin. Then above equation, PV is equal to nRT. This is a ideal gas equation. The next point, moles. The formula for mole is equal to mass upon molar mass. Then concept of moles. Suppose 1 dozen banana is equal to 12 banana. Then 1 kg any substance is equal to 1000 gram. Same thing is also used. 1 mole substance is equal to value 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. And then this value is called Avogadro number. In 1 mole substance, we also the atom, molecule, particle, ions, etc. Then the number of mole is equal to number of particle upon Avogadro number. Therefore, small n is equal to n divided by Na. But this value is substituted in ideal gas equation. Therefore, PV is equal to n upon Na into RT. But the scientist Boltzmann also study the formula R is equal to Na into Kb. Kb is a Boltzmann constant. Then substitute the value of R in above equation. Then PV is equal to n upon Na into Na Kb into T. Then Na get cancel, and then PV is equal to n into Kb into T. These are the another form of ideal gas equations. Then another importance formulae by solving the numericals. Weight of one atom of an element is equal to atomic weight upon Avogadro number, but this value is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Then second importance formula, weight of one molecule of a compound equal to molecular weight divided by Avogadro number, but this value is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23.